What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing this 36-inch Gulf Coast Seabreeze 3 ceiling fan. I got this off Craigslist for like $10. It's gonna go in my kitchen, but I need to get a 4-arm light kit out of my storage. It came with a single globe fitter, but I figure I'm gonna put on a different light kit for more light, so I don't really have much else to talk about this. So we're gonna start up on low speed. It's a little buzzy, it's a little wobbly, but it works pretty good. It's already starting to put out a little sea breeze, even on medium speed. This is the speed or average modern 52-inch pecker motor fan would normally have on high speed. Maybe even slower than this. Now let's crank it up to high. This thing flies, obviously, being 36 inches, and puts out a good amount of air for what it is.